Here we need to do some algebraic manipulation in order to get this into the right form to differentiate. The first step is to split the fraction so that we get x squared over the cube root of x, take away 3x over the cube root of x. This is just like working with numbers. If we had 3/7 plus 2/7, we'd do 3 plus 2 over 7, which is 5/7. We've just split the fraction in this direction as opposed to bringing the fraction together. We now need to use our knowledge of indices. So this is x squared divided by the cube root of x is x to the power 1/3. And we have 3x, which remember is to the power 1, over x to the power 1/3. When dividing, we subtract indices, and we should remember that 2 is 6/3 and that 1 is 3/3. So 6/3 take away 1/3 is 5/3, so this is x to the 5/3, and this becomes 3x to the 2/3. We're now in a position to differentiate this. So dy dx is equal to, drop the power down in front, so it's 5/3, times x, reduce the power by 1 to the power 2/3. Take away, drop the power in front, so it's 2/3 times 3x to the minus 1/3. 2/3 take away 1 is minus 1/3. We can now tidy this a little. The first term will stay the same, but here we can cancel the 3, giving us minus 2x to the minus 1/3. We could tidy this further using our knowledge of indices, giving us 5/3 times the cube root of x squared, and here we would have 2 over the cube root of x.